So today we will discuss one of the important topic in learning English. One of the most important topic in learning English, and many students they find obstacle means they find very hard to understand how to use idiom and how to learn idiom and how to remember idiom. So what is idiom? Let's define what is idiom. Idiom is a one group of words, okay, and you cannot translate words by word. Means you cannot understand them by directly translating from one language to another language. So here on the board here, I give you one of idiom, very famous idiom, and that is caviar to general. So how to understand them? Because we have thousands of idiom in the world, and how to remember all? You cannot cram them, right? So first you have to understand who give this idiom. So this idiom is given by Shakespeare. I think you know Shakespeare, everybody. You know Shakespeare? Shakespeare. He is a very famous English writer, and he is also, create so many new words in English. If you want to learn English, and you should know Shakespeare, right? And he said caviar to general. Now, first you have to understand what is caviar. So caviar is one type of fish egg. It's come from sturgeon. Sturgeon is one type of fish, and the egg of this sturgeon we call caviar. And what does it mean? Caviar here, and what does it mean general here? So general here, Shakespeare want to talk about people who doesn't understand the value of this food. This caviar, this food provide you a very good source of. First, you will get omega 3 fatty acids. Right, so your body need the omega 3 fatty acids. So the membrane of your cell, so it is made of fatty acids. So this is a very good source for your body. Then not only omega 3 fatty acids. So caviar also supply you or give you what? Selenium. Our body needs selenium also, right? And also very good source of vitamin B12, right? This is the good thing for our body. So that's why caviar is one of the most expensive fish eggs in the world, right? It's come from sturgeon. And if you give this to common people who doesn't understand the value of this, and they don't like it, and they don't realize the value. It is valuable, but they don't realize the importance of that. The same thing that you give important thing to somebody, but they don't understand or they do not realize the value of each thing, right? Then if you give something for somebody and they don't realize the importance of that, then you can say, oh, it is caviar to general. You can say like that. So one more idiom, so we can compare with this idiom, and that is a Casper, Casper, or Casper before swine. Same thing, right? When you put Casper before swine means when you put birds. You put bird before swine. Swine means big. Not big. I'm talking about big. Yes. Right? So swine means big. If you give birds, birds, nah? It is valuable than like a diamond. Okay? You can compare with diamond. So if you give birds to big or to swine, then how the pig can understand the value of the birds. So the same thing here, caviar to general means you give something very, very, very valuable to somebody, but they don't understand about that. Okay, and they don't respect that also, right? So that's why whenever you learn idiom, you have to understand the circumstance of that idiom. And through idiom, you can learn a lot of things. The knowledge of the society you also learn from idiom, and you can use them in a very short way, right? If you don't want to use many words, and then you can use idiom. This is the very best way to express yourself to what you want to say, but indirectly, not directly, right? I hope you understand the importance of idiom. So you can learn one by one idiom every day. Learn one, at least a day you can learn one idiom. Then you can put this in your dictionary, and then you can use them in times of need. Thank you so much.